In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a meeting agenda using templates in Asana. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's dive right in. The first thing you want to do is to locate the Create button in the top left corner of the Asana interface. This is the starting point for any new project, including your meeting agenda. Once you've clicked the Create button, you'll see a drop-down menu. From there, go ahead and select the project option. This is what you'll be using to start a new workspace specifically for your meeting agenda. Now that you've got that part sorted, it's time to choose the Use a Template option. This feature is super handy because it allows you to browse through various preset project frameworks that Asana offers. Templates can save you a lot of time and provide you with a great starting point. Next, you'll want to navigate to the Productivity tab. This area is specifically designed to help you find templates that enhance efficiency. Within this tab, you'll be pleased to find the Meeting Agenda template. When you see it, simply click the Use Template button to select it. This action will incorporate all the essential elements you need for an effective agenda. Now let's give your meeting agenda a meaningful name. This step is crucial, as it will help your team easily identify the purpose of the meeting when they look at their project dashboard. Take a moment to think about a concise and clear name that reflects the topic of your meeting. After naming your agenda, you'll click the Create Project button. This action generates your agenda as a new Asana project, setting you up beautifully for your next meeting planning phase. Once you've created your new project, you can open it up to see all the pre-filled baseline details and the structure designed specifically for meetings. This is where you can really make the agenda your own. Take a good look at the template. Here, you'll want to customize it to fit your specific needs. Add tasks that you want to cover during the meeting, assign deadlines that align with your agenda, and include any project details that are necessary for your team to know. This customization process is not just about filling in the blanks. It's about shaping the meeting to ensure it's as productive as possible for everyone involved. And that's it. Once you've filled in all the necessary information and made your agenda tailored to your meeting, you're ready to review your result. Make sure everything looks good and you're set to share it with your team. Creating a meeting agenda using templates in Asana can significantly streamline your process and keep your team focused. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing and liking this video for more tips and tricks like this one. Happy planning, and see you